Grade 8. Class Beta.
Green Paradise.
Senior Secondary School.
In RETTANAI.
7 steps to wash your hands properly. Step 1. Rub your hands palm to palm in a circular motion. Step 2. Clean the back of each hand with the palm of your opposite hand.
Step 3. Scrub between your fingers by interlacing your fingers, rubbing back and forth. Step 4. Clean the back of your fingers by rubbing your interlocked fingers into your palm. Repeat it for both hands.
Step 5. Clean around your huge thumb with your opposite hand.
Step 6. Rub your fingertips into the palm of your opposite hand. Repeat it for both hands.
The last step is wash each wrist with your opposite hand. Thank you.